almost $18,000 in my very first
This was yesterday, actually.
Changing people's lives, and I want you to have
$2,700 worth of commissions.
Within 9 days, TikTok sent me over $15,000.
7 days, I made $1,000.
I've made over $24,000 on TikTok.
7 days, $59,000.
My results from doing this myself, so I know what I'm talking about. How are small TikTok video creators making simple, poorly edited short videos like this, and this, cheating the system and making thousands of dollars on a weekly basis? Better yet, how did I make this much uploading simple short videos without even showing my face in some of them? This is because of something called TikTok Shop Affiliate. But what is this exactly? How does it work? And most importantly, what are its minimum requirements in 2025 that you need to reach in order to start getting paid? Now, gurus would normally charge you $297 for a course explaining all of this, but by the end of this free video, all of this will be revealed. And don't forget to drop us a like and comment thanks if you have found value from this video. And of course, if you're excited to start getting paid by TikTok Shop today, download our free toolkit in the description. Now, TikTok Shop Affiliate is when someone helps sell products from a TikTok shop and they get paid a little bit of money in the process. This is called a commission every time someone buys something because of that TikTok Shop Affiliate. So this is like being a digital salesperson, but instead of working in a store, you make short videos or reviews about the product on TikTok. Now, if people like what you show and buy it through your special link, this is how you get paid. You earn money. For example, let's say you love cool, retro, cute water bottles. You join the TikTok Shop Affiliate program and pick a colorful, trendy water bottle to promote. You then make a funny video showing how the water bottle keeps your drink super cold all day and how aesthetic it looks. In your caption, what you do is put a special link to that particular bottle, and when someone clicks your link and buys the bottle, you get paid a small percentage of that sale. Kind of like getting a reward for helping the shop sell it. Now, in order to join, you need to be at least the age of 18. You need to have a minimum follower requirement of at least 5,000 followers if you are based in the USA. If you're based in the UK, you need a minimum of 1,000 followers. This can vary depending on the country where you are. You need to have been actively posting at least for the last 28 days, and you need to be abiding by TikTok community guidelines. Now, let's say you're interested, but you don't have enough followers. You can use the various follow for follow engagement trends that are currently going viral on TikTok. You can also use TikTok ads. You could even buy an account that already has the minimum follower count that you need. There's a number of different options to allow you to grow quickly and meet the minimum requirements. Once you've qualified, you'll see a screen like this, which allows you to apply. Now, once you've been accepted, which only takes a few minutes, you will unlock access to the TikTok product marketplace, which is where you can tag products, put them in what's called your showcase, which is like your storefront, and be able to create videos that have those products linked in them. But don't create videos just yet, because you actually need to have the product in your hand in order to not be penalized by TikTok. You can get the product by either buying the product through TikTok Shop directly. You can use Amazon next day delivery to get the product quickly, or you can order free samples directly from the product marketplace in order to have the product sent to you. Now, when people are watching your videos on their For You feed, they will also see this little icon, which allows them to buy the product if they are interested, getting you paid in the process. Have you ever wondered how some TikTok creators are making thousands of dollars in just days while your content struggles to earn even a single penny? Well, the secret isn't what you think. I'm gonna reveal how an ordinary creator made over $360K with a 16-second video using TikTok Shop Affiliate, how another made $178K with a simple 5-second video, and exactly what they're doing differently from everyone else. I've personally used these same strategies to generate this much as a complete beginner with a few followers. The biggest mistake that causes 90% of TikTok Shop affiliates to fail is something you'd never expect. I've reviewed tons of successful TikTok Shop affiliate case studies making more than $5,000 monthly, and almost all of them show the same thing. While most new creators spend weeks guessing which products might sell well, top earners have a systematic approach that takes them minutes. This secret is using data analysis tools that successful affiliates don't talk about publicly. Tools like Shop Plus, Kalo Data, and Fastmost give you insider information on exactly which products are selling right now, which creators are making the most money, and even lets you analyze their highest converting videos. Now, what if you could predict which products would make you money before even creating a single video? When I first started out as a TikTok Shop affiliate, I wasted 3 weeks creating videos for products that nobody wanted. Then I discovered this 5-step system that transformed everything. Step 1 is you sign up for a TikTok Shop data analysis tool like Shop Plus. I've included free trial links in the description. Step 2 is you navigate to the products tab and filter by top sales to see what's selling best right now in your country. Step Step 3 is checking the product details page to analyze commission rates and sales performance over time. You want to identify if interest is growing, declining, or stable. Step 4 is clicking the relevant videos tab to see which creators are already promoting this product successfully and exactly how much revenue each creator generated. Step 5 is to study the top performing videos. With premium accounts, you can even download their scripts and video templates to use as inspiration for your own unique content. Having analyzed hundreds of videos from top TikTok Shop affiliates, I've noticed a pattern in the ones generating the most sales. They weren't just randomly reviewing products. They were following a specific psychological formula. First, they open with a curiosity gap, showing the product solving a problem in an unexpected way. Second, they immediately address the viewer's biggest objection about the product. Third, they demonstrate the product with clear before and after results. Fourth, they create urgency with a limited time offer or exclusive discount. And finally, they close with a clear call to action that emphasizes ease and urgency. Now, there's various other ways that you can go about structuring your TikTok Shop affiliate video, but in most cases that I've come across, this is one of the ways that tends to generate the most conversions. The moment I realized the system actually worked was both exciting and terrifying. After struggling for weeks with zero sales, I decided to completely change my approach using the exact system I'm sharing with you today. I selected some simple products that the data showed were trending upwards. I studied the top performing videos, created my own 15 to 45 second video versions using the high converting formula, and nervously posted these videos. After seeing the results, I've never looked back. Now, you know exactly how these creators are making thousands with TikTok Shop affiliate, but there's one critical mistake that could sabotage all of your efforts before you even begin. To help you avoid this mistake and get started correctly, I've created a complete step-by-step tutorial on setting up your TikTok Shop affiliate account properly. Click the video appearing on the screen right now to make sure you don't miss this crucial first step.